So this is the Tesla rifle from Fallout. I went ahead and designed mine around this, but I've also got a top like this where just the sphere goes in it. But this is a 3-inch plasma ball. I think they're like 15 bucks on Amazon. Don't take them apart if you don't know what you're doing. I'm sure it's probably dangerous. The barrel's super easy. This just, the tip pokes in there, which goes into there, and then the little heat sinks go, which just get glued in, so it's like that. So make sure you're gluing it on the right way. I just glued it on backwards to start. So that's the inside. So it goes like that. You could put glue right on the screws too if you wanted to. Okay, so that's how it's supposed to look. Now the bottom base just slides in like that. And now that's good to go. So it's got all this room down in here for your electronics if you need to hide any wiring or anything. Forgot to take the supports off on this one, but I can show you a cool, easy way to do it. Just gonna stab it in there and start twisting, and they'll thread right out. In theory, there we go. It's insanely satisfying. Okay, now that I've remembered the last flipping thing. So, oh, I found the top for that. That's your little screwdriver. Again. Okie dokie. So that is the main assembly. Then, okay, so you're going to want to screw that into M3 by probably 10 to 12s. And then you just add that on first. These parts are scalloped to fit along. Looks like the point goes towards the bottom on the bottom one, towards the top on the top one. And you want it to go like that so it's sticking out the front. So that goes on. Then the spacer for between. This will go the same way. And then this just screws on. Just like that. Just fits in there like that. There's going to be a panel that gets glued on, so actually, I'll wait till I do the other parts. So then we get the two small ones. I might just glue these on just to okay. Now we want that like that. And like that. I forgot to take the support out. So this hole right here is actually for a magnet. From my laser pistol, there's a fusion cell. So you're going to want the black end to go in. Make sure your magnet's matching for polarity. It just presses in like that. Then we have some pins. I'm going to go in this, a little bit of glue in each hole. That. And then this plate goes over top. Just a little more glue. Do a little bit along the top. A little bit along the bottom. Actually, let's glue these in now. Alright, I'm going to hold this in place. Okay, so now that that is on, we have this. It's got a little groove in the top, so it's easy to see which way it goes. More glue. Just goes in like so. Of course, it's a little loose. Then this just go, oh shit, don't really fit, does it? Oh, that might be a tight fit. Alright. We're just going to pretend like that fits well. Alright, stock time. So we've got the cage, this, more pins that are going to go in here. Try to angle this out. Just like that. Then, let's see. This part just goes in on there like that. I'm not going to glue it quite yet to make sure I lined it up. The handle itself goes through here. Let's see. So basically you want to stick it through like that. There's 2 grooves that'll keep that in place. Just gonna put some glue on now. And this just threads into place. It holds that nice and tight. And this, when you slide it on, you want the 2 holes coming off this side. It's like that, so they're coming out the hole. Okay, those are in the right spot. I've got these 2 big dogs. Shit, I don't remember goes. So this goes on the bottom, I believe, like that. So you've got the one with the hole closer on that end, and then these come along here, and then a wire will come off to go over there. Okay, so that end over here, and these are just like the other side, they're kind of scalloped, so they'll just fit in just right. Same thing on that one. Just make sure they stay nice and straight while the glue dries. So you got all of that. Oh, almost forgot an important part. The trigger. That just gets a lot of glue. Sticks in there. It's like that. So then that goes on like that. And that goes like that. Okay, I just have my barrel double-sided taped because I'm going to be taking it off and on when I get the electronics finalized, but obviously you can glue it in if you want. And it just goes in there like that. Now I got a couple little accents. Got our crosshair. Just like that. We have this guy. The way I set this one up to work is it just kind of sits wherever on that little lip right there. So those just go together like that. Come on. You just want to hang it off like that, kind of. Just put a little bit of glue. Okay, so I have wire files in there, but I didn't want to, I wanted to use real wire just so it looked more interesting. We need wire clips, so I need 3 for this side. I'm missing one on the other. Great. I'm going to use hot glue to glue the wires in just because that's a little easier to work with when you need to remove them. I'll just glue both sides for right now. Oh, there it is. Shit. Okay. So I've got this thicker gauge wire. I don't know how big it is exactly, but I got it out of a yard sale. Let's find something comparable. I'd say it's probably 3 millimeters thick almost, maybe 2. So all I'm gonna do put some glue in there. Actually, this isn't even glued yet. Okay, I'm gonna stick 2 ends in there. Get this glue gun. To dry without moving, throw some tape on it. There we go. So I believe this kind of goes down through around over like that. There we go. All right, just like that. I'm not going to glue my end in, but there's a hole right there for that. Okay, other side. I did not anticipate how much of a pain that's going to be. Oh, glue sucks anyways, cool. Bug it. Oh, you ho. All right, one left. It's supposed to be red, blue, and yellow, but I didn't have a red wire, so it's orange, blue, and yellow. 75% sure I was supposed to put these going the other way. Okay. I think that's it. That'll be in there. Beautiful. Any questions, hit me up on makerworld. I'll be uploading the files here shortly.